Welcome to our channel, where we explore extraordinary moments from World War II. In this episode, we delve into a legendary encounter between the fearsome Tiger tank and the iconic Spitfire fighter aircraft. Join us as we uncover the thrilling story behind a rare and unexpected clash between ground and air forces. It is June 1944, and the Battle of Villers-Bocage is raging. Amidst the chaos and destruction, a Tiger tank commanded by the legendary Michael Wittmann takes center stage. Known for his exceptional skills, Wittmann is about to face an unprecedented challenge. As Wittmann and his Tiger tank dominate the battlefield, a low-flying Spitfire fighter bomber enters the scene. In an astonishing turn of events, the tank's powerful 88mm main gun is trained on the airborne intruder. The ground and the sky collide as the Spitfire swoops down towards the Tiger tank. Wittmann, undeterred by the unconventional threat, skillfully adjusts the tank's aim and unleashes a devastating round towards the agile aircraft. The results of this extraordinary encounter have been subject to debate and controversy. While some claim that Wittmann successfully shot down the Spitfire, others question the validity of this account. The truth remains elusive, leaving us to wonder about the extent of the Tiger tank's aerial capabilities. Regardless of the outcome, the clash between the Tiger tank and the Spitfire symbolizes the ever-changing dynamics of warfare. It reminds us of the ingenuity and adaptability displayed by both tank crews and pilots during the chaos of World War II. Join us as we explore more captivating stories from the annals of history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest episodes. Together, let's uncover the remarkable events that shaped our world. Until next time, let us remember the bravery and innovation of those who faced the unexpected, whether in the air or on the ground.